Hi guys, welcome back. It's Miss Herbal. Hey, I'm going to help you with some math problems today. Now, remember, you're going to need something to write with. So either a paper and pencil or a whiteboard, dry erase marker, something that you can use to solve the problem. So if you need to, pause this video and go get something that you could write on to solve the math problems. Okay? All right. Welcome back. All right, now, when I read the question the first time through, you're just going to picture what Miss Herbal's asking, okay? Just kind of make a picture in your mind, visualize it, and really think about, is this adding? Is it subtracting? What is it? And sometimes you can solve it in both ways. So, all right. Oh, we got the lights turned off on us. Ooh, okay, I'm back. All right, the light sometimes goes off. All right, here's the first question, and be careful because they're kind of tricky. All right, I'm going to tell a story about a little girl in my class named Dariah. It says, Dariah had 15 Starburst candy from trick-or-treating. You know those Starburst? I love those. She had 15. She's pretty lucky. She got a lot of Starburst. Now, she ate some of them. Some. We don't know how many. She ate some of them, and now she only has 10. So we're trying to figure out how many did she eat. All right, so think about that. 15 Starburst. She ate some of it, and now she only has 10 left. So how many did she eat? Pause the video and try to work it out. Okay? Before we do it together. All right, now a lot of times kids just want to take the 15 and the 10 and add them together. That's not what the question said. It said, Dariah had 15 Starbursts. So I think I'm going to draw 15. You can draw 15 in a couple ways. You can do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or I teach my kids sometimes to do 15 this way with a 10 stick. Doesn't have to be perfect. A 10 stick. Did you learn those? Yeah. And then 5 little extra ones is 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 2 ways that you could do 15. Let me put a line down here so we can look at both ways. But here's the question. She had 15 Starbursts. She ate some, and now she only has 10 left. So I'm going to cross out until I get to 10 left. All right, so crossing it out until I get to 10 left. Now let's see. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. All right, so that she has 10 left. So how many did she eat? We got to see how many she crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, she must have eaten 5 of them is the answer. She must have eaten 5. And this way is super easy to figure out because you can see it. 10 and 5. It says if she has 10 left, then she must have eaten these, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So 15 minus some away, that the sum is minus 5 away, and you have 10 left. That's how many she had left. So we know that she must have eaten 5 of them. Yum. I bet you they were the pink ones or the red ones. Those are my favorites. Yeah. All right. How'd you do in that question? Was it tricky? I don't know. All right. Let's try another one. You ready? Let's try. Oh, you know, Thanksgiving's coming up. So let's do a Thanksgiving question. Mrs. Herbal, that's me. Mrs. Herbal is setting out plates for dinner. Okay, let's see. So Mrs. Herbal set out 8 plates for dinner. She added a little bit more for some extra guests. But now there are 13 plates. How many extra guests were coming? You know, because sometimes the extra people come. So you have to be ready for them. Let me think about this again. I set out 8 plates for dinner, but then I had to set out a few more extras. And now there's 13. So how many extra guests are coming? Tricky. Pause it and try to work it out. And then come back and check your answer. All right, so let's see. I know I set out 8 plates to start with, so maybe I'll start with those 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I know I set out 8. And then there's some more extra guests came, so I put more plates out. And now there's 13. So 8 plus something equals the 13 plates. 8 plus something equals the 13. So I know how I can figure it out. I can put this part in my head and count to 13 to get the whole total. 8 is a part, and then this part, and it'll equal 13 altogether. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What do you think? Yeah, 5 extra people must be coming because 8 plus 5 will give me 13 altogether. These are the 8 I set out in the first place. These are the 5 extra ones I set out. And now I have 13 at my table for Thanksgiving. Good job. Is there any other way you could have solved that? You could solve it this way. Let's erase this Speedy Quick. Yeah, erase it Speedy Quick if you're following along. You could solve it using the 13 plates. Let's see. 13 plates minus the 8 I know I put out in the first place equals something. So 13 minus the 8 that we know, and it'll give me the extras. Yeah, the missing part. So let's see, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take the 8 away that I set out in the originally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the extra ones must be the extra people. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra people. Yeah, that's another way you could solve it. You can start with the whole total, 13, that we know that there are now. There's 13 now. You can take the part away that you knew, the 8 that I set out originally, and then you could figure out the extra part. The extra part was the 5. Yeah, that's another way you can solve it. All right, how'd you do on that one? Erase it Speedy Quick if you're following along. We have one last question, I think. No, I don't think I do. Okay. We did our Froggy question, and we did our dinner plate. So we're all set. All right, I hope this helps you with those missing numbers. Yeah, that's kind of a tricky one. All right, well, keep learning.